Hi, thank you for joining me today. In this video, I'm going to be doing a paper piecing of the Grinch, or just his hand with the mask, from my Grinch page kit number ND3. And you will find the link below in the description for this kit. Please check that out along with my other fun projects I have in my shop. So what I'm going to be doing today is gluing all the pieces together using Art Glitter Designer Dries Clear Liquid Adhesive with the fine metal tip. I do sell this in my shop as well. I love it. It's a fast drying glue and it dries clear, so it's amazing. So, okay, so we're going to go ahead and I'm going to start with the mask piece. And I'm just going to put a thin layer of glue around the edges and around the openings. And you just want to center it on there. So you have a nice border around. It's a very thin border. Okay. And you can use your pin if you'd like. It just gets that excess glue. I like to use the pin just to go around the edges if there's some glue coming out. But again, it dries clear, so it's not mandatory. So, okay, so with the red, you see I'm just laying these out. I just want to get an idea for the spacing. I'm going to go ahead and do the red first. Now, how this one's going to work, there's going to be no border along the straight edge because this is going to go right at the edge of your decorative paper. So you want to go right up to the edge, and then I'm just centering it top and bottom, making sure we have an even border there. Okay, just like that. And then you're going to go ahead with the white piece. So I definitely recommend doing the red first so that you can see where to place the white. Again, you want to keep that border. And I'm looking around the top and bottom and then the distance between the red and the white. Okay, now we're going to go in with the hand. Now you could have laid this out. You could lay that out to see what that looks like too if you want. It's going to go like that. So I'm going to go ahead and glue this down. The nice thing about using liquid glue is you have kind of that wiggle room to move it into place. However, it does dry fast. So you also need to work quickly because it could dry before you get to move it if you don't do it right away. Okay, so now for the fingers. Go about there. I recommend laying out your pieces first like I did here, just so it's smoother going when you're piecing it together. And make sure all your pieces are right side up as well before you get started so you don't accidentally glue something upside down. And the last piece. So this one, you're looking at the straight edge part of it. You want that to follow in line with the finger. There you see how it has that straight edge right there. So that's what we're looking at when putting that down. And of course, making sure it's centered as best as you can. All right, that's it. Little bits of glue there. There we go. So he was really easy. Again, if you'd like to pick up this kit, please go ahead and click on the link below. If you like this video, please click the like button. If you'd like to see more videos from me, please click that subscribe button. And don't forget to click that bell for notifications. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.